What's up, travelers? Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we are here at Thai Town in East Hollywood. Not many people know about Thai Town here in LA. We're gonna go try out some food around here and look at some grocery store, so you don't want to miss out, travel heads. So I would consider this place like a hole in the wall due to how it's called a coffee shop, but then people do come here for the food as well, which is what we're exactly here for, early morning for some boat noodles. Alright guys, so for our boat noodle we have the pork rinds right here, we got beef ball, we got tripe, we got beef tendons, and we also have slices of beef as well in this whole bowl.
So here there's chili flakes, peanuts, barbecue pork, crab meat, fresh crab meat, and roasted duck, and then they give you a slice of lime to squirt on top as well. And then there's also their jade noodles.
You know me, I've been to Chiang Mai and Bangkok already, a couple other cities in Thailand. I've had Thai boat noodle before, but never have I had these green noodles, the jade noodles. And I gotta say, the boat noodle and the jade noodles were both really good.
I thought they were really good. The jade noodles for itself was very different because it was green noodles. I believe it was like green tea egg noodles. And then they had like roasted duck, they had barbecue pork, and some crab meat. And they gave you like a slice of lime to squeeze on top, which was really flavorful.
It's really unique. I've never seen it in Thailand as well, nor back at home in Oakland or the Bay Area. Yeah, it was really good too for some dry noodle, you would say it is.
Yeah.
The duck and the barbecue pork was really good too. At first when I ate the crab meat by itself, there wasn't much flavor in it. But when you mix everything in together, you get that little taste.
And I would say that it tasted like nice and sweet, and then it was like a little bit of a tanginess from the limes. It wasn't salty at all. It was just perfect balance of flavors.
And for the boat noodle, it was good as well. There's a lot of toppings in it. But I gotta say one thing. For the boat noodle, I thought the broth could be a little more thicker.
I thought the broth was really good. It was more on the like you said, less thick side, because we've had some back home where the broth was a lot thicker, but it's still really good. It had a perfect balance of flavors. It had like sweet, salty, spicy, tangy taste to the broth for sure. So it was perfect, and there was so many toppings. Overall,
it was still good. This place I would recommend you go if you're looking for authentic Thai food, and I would come here again if I was staying around LA for a week or so.
Yeah, for sure. And plus we actually tried to order their crab rolls, but they didn't have it. But that's also another famous thing to get there.
Yeah, it was sold out. Anyways, on to our next destination. Let's go. So now we're at a Thai grocery store, and they got all these food on display, including mango sticky rice, my favorite, but can't get it because we're actually boarding our plane later on today. They also have durian, however you guys call it, but a lot of different types. So many Southeast Asian Thai style stuff.
Desserts.
The dessert aisle is filled.
We got boat noodle, instant noodles, instant boat noodles.
We're here at their new Hollywood Plaza. There's a lot of different type spots right here. Man, we just ate, so we can't really just eat another meal right away. We're gonna check out some of the stores that sell some snacks here. It's a lot of things, a lot of parking space as well. This is one of the spots we were looking at, Ban Kanam Thai, however you say it. They have a lot of snacks and we're eager to check it out. There's so much different type of snacks here. You guys gotta come here if you guys are into Thai snacks.
There's so many things I want here.
Alright, thank you. Sorry about that. Oh, that's okay. So many snacks here. We can't wait to try some of them out.
So we got their coconut pudding, unknown Thai, and then we got mango sticky rice. We got pancakes. We got steamed coconut cakes, and then we have their pickled mango with like salt and pepper dipping sauce. We got this tamarind in plum powder, and then this like pretty cool like tamarind candy. sour green mango dipping sauce. It should be like sweet, salty, and spicy.
But all that totaled up to almost $50, so it is a little more on the pricier side. But yeah, they're pretty much freshly made in front of your face. Under the parking lot, they are serving food, cooking it right in front of you here too. Definitely coconutty. And you can really taste the onion in it as well.
This was only $3. And it's so good. So good. It's sweet and it's salty and it's green onion and it's coconutty. So good.
We're not in Thai town anymore, but we decided to head out 5 miles near downtown LA to check out this one vendor that reminds us of Thai street food. This place is super unique. It's like a street food style. It's outdoor, right next to a parking lot. You see there's only tents that are shading it in, and then there's no dining at the moment because of COVID, but you take your food, you go out. There's a lot of this Thai street food as well, so it's super interesting. So we just got our food out there at Mei Ting's Coconut Cake. We got the papaya salad, and we got 2 skewers and a sausage, a pork and a chicken skewer. Papaya salad coming with dry shrimp.
They also asked if you want fermented crab in it too, but then we didn't want it because we're about to head out.
Yeah, we're about to head out back to the airport in like 30 minutes or so.
This is mild.
Mild spice.
That's pretty good.
Mild spice is still more than just a spice for me. Sausage. Wow. That's a very crunchy skin. Little sweet sausage. Good with the papaya salad. It's good. Marinated right.
It has a little bit of a curry, turmeric flavor. It's a little bit sweet too.
I love my pork skewers, so let's see how this one looks like. A very fatty, a bit thin of a piece. I love pork skewers, so I would choose the pork skewer over the chicken skewer.
It's almost like pork jerky. It's super sweet, but at the same time, it's not as tough as a jerky.
Probably not the best idea getting papaya salad right before going to the airport, especially how burning the meal is. If you enjoyed our little Thai run in LA, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you back. Until then, Travel Heads.